If for some reason your passenger or driver mirror here cracked or broken, you can actually replace it. Let me show you how. Basically, you're gonna use a heat gun to start melting a little bit from behind. You can take actually this not the whole thing, but this piece out, okay? Because there's some clip in there. Take it out and then use the heat gun to melt the back here a little bit. Be careful not to melt the plastic, and then I'll show you. And then you can use something to scrape off the broken glasses and then order a new one. Once you order the new one and you go through my video, then you're gonna put basically, without putting the mirror yet, but you're gonna put the back plate alone in here first before putting the mirror. Put it in here, and then the new glass will come with some glue pads or adhesive pads, and you will use that to put it here before you put the mirror, okay? And then you're gonna put your new mirror on top of it here. So anyway, put the back plate back without the mirror. Make sure it light up pretty good and stay fit and tight, and then put the mirror in here. So the next video will show you how to actually we take some time to remove the broken glass and then put the new one back, and then you should be good. Watch the next video. What I will do is use the heat gun on the low heat to melt. Basically, there are a couple pieces here. It's the mirror piece glued to the plastic mounting here. So basically, instead of targeting or focusing the heat gun over here, I'm gonna gently just go around here, and then another tool you will need is some sort of scraper here. I'm gonna try to slowly just wear your gloves, and we'll see how it goes. Because if it's a sharp object, broken glasses, so I'm gonna be using leather. You want to use pretty good leather, not the thin one. I would say go with this really leather, thick, durable, and good protective against glasses. So go ahead and start the low heat here. Go over here. That's over here. You can feel the heat here, so okay, let's see how it is. Hopefully it will be easy one here, hopefully. Okay, so in here, just be gentle, maybe a little bit more heat. I would say a little bit more. You might want to wear glasses as well. Oh, okay, it's coming out pretty good. Sorry. Continue. almost there. Maybe a little bit more. Hopefully I don't damage the plastic side. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. I think it's almost there. You can see the old glue here that came with the last installation. And then you can clean it up a little bit here, make the surface even. But it shouldn't be too bad here. Maybe just a little bit here. A little bit. You don't want to melt the plastic. Scrape the glue off. It should be good. You can clean this with rubbing alcohol just to make sure it's clean surface. It will stick well. And then put in the new mirror and it should be all set. Throw away the grasses, and this is what it looks like. You just mount it back to the side mirror here. There's some, you can see the spot here that where you can put this part back in. It will lock, and then yeah, that's about it. Just a little tool, heat gun, do the trick, and you're all set.